Okay, Veritas shooting plane. What do I think of it after using it for 30 seconds? I think it's pretty impressive. The weight of the plane really keeps it in place. It really makes it travel through the wood a lot easier, keeps it in place a lot easier. The angled handle is great because you can set it at an angle to keep it pushed into the board and down at the same time. You could also set the handle to be straight up and down if you have a tracked shooting board, which I'm going to make now that I have this shooting plane. I will make a tracked board just for it. That will make it a lot easier because then the track keeps it against the fence and all you have to do is move it back and forth. Much easier than an untracked one. It does a pretty good job. I mean, it took this super rough thing and turned it into a relatively smooth edge. It would take very little work to make that into a finished edge. So I'm really happy with the plane itself and the job that it does compared to an ordinary plane in a shooting position. This is much easier to use. The adjustable mouth is, of course, absolutely fantastic. I love Veritas's adjustable mouth on all their planes. It really makes a big difference to have a mouth that is adjustable and also that is settable, where you can set the distance between the mouth and the blade and then be able to adjust that. So I really like having an adjustable mouth. It makes a big difference in how you're dealing with the wood products. You know, shooting boards allow for more than just end grain. You can use them for squaring up side grain as well. That's a little too aggressive of a cut. Did not get a good start, and I'm going against the grain. There we go. So you can use them for truing up side grain on smaller things. You can also get angled fences on your shooting board that allow you to do angles. Shooting boards are really useful. They're not absolutely necessary, but they make the job a lot nicer. The Veritas shooting plane has definitely got the weight and the control to be able to set it to do any number of those tasks quite easily. I'm really glad I spent the money on this plane. It is definitely going to be a regular user in my kit. Thank you.